Jedziemy. Ach, zaś się pomyliłem, ale dobra. Także, ostatni, 5. epizod, nie mamy czasu. We have no time. Wir haben keine Zeit. Jadymy. Myślę, że to będzie cały epizod w jednym odcinku, tak mi się wydaje, tak powinno być. A ja będę szkubał bób ze stresu.
Previously on The Walking Dead.
What if my parents come home and I'm not there? I've got my walkie-talkie in case they try that way.
Hey, there were some batteries in one of those boxes. Here, you can have some too.
But we'll be in Savannah, and my parents were in Savannah. They always stay in the same place when they go there.
The Marsh House?
Yes, that's it!
You didn't come into town from the railroad, did you? We gotta go!
Yeah, why?
Clementine? Clementine! Oh. Clementine's gone. Wherever she is, I have to find her. I don't even know if I can ask for your help.
We'll look for Clementine together.
Hell yeah. What kind of friend would I be if I wasn't there for you now?
Clementine.
Wielka tajemnica, moi drodzy. Wielkie misterium. O, jest cuk.
Vernon, get out here! There doesn't have to be any trouble here. All I want is the girl. Give her back and nobody needs to get hurt. Clementine, are you all right? Where are you? Vernon, you son of a bitch!
Hello, Lee.
Who is this?
It's not Vernon, if that's what you're thinking. And you should really watch your tone. Clementine's fine. But if I were you, I'd choose my next words very carefully.
Please, don't hurt her!
Hurt her? I'm not the one who hurts people.
Ja, no to jo.
There's an ocean of dead between you and me and her, and if I can thank God for anything anymore, it's that.
No to posmutnieliśmy. A, to co ja mogę powiedzieć?
Fuck.
To było najodpowiedniejsze.
Don't worry, pal. We'll get her back.
Trochę stypa, no. Trochę smutna sprawa. Cygan się... No co się tak patrzy?
How's that feeling?
No, normalnie, no.
Fine. Don't worry about it.
It wasn't a full chomp.
No, it wasn't.
We don't have much time.
No, nie mamy czasu, faktycznie.
We're about to have a lot less. We'll all make sure nothing gets in. You're still the smartest fucker out of all of us. Try to find another way out of here.
Ja jestem smartest fucker. Wejdziemy do tego i się schowiemy.
Nothing through here.
Damn. I was kinda hoping they dug some secret tunnels or something.
Nie być taki mądry.
Hey,
We'll have time to chit-chat later.
Ciet. Co, no wparzamy, nie?
Can't those things let up for a fucking minute?
just keep looking for another way out. I got this.
Zaraz wparzymy, łozdupimy.
This isn't gonna help.
Dobrze, że to nie na cas.
Just some surgical supplies.
I taka piła by się przydała. I zombie nagle wyskakuje. Pieron, ale by to było.
Looks like a carjack. I don't want to imagine this being used on a body.
Dobra. Rozpierak. Co my nim możemy rozeprzeć? Możemy nim rozeprzeć drzwi do windy na przykład. Myślę, że to jest perfect idea. Rozpar.
I'll have
Patrzcie.
these doors open in 2 seconds.
A. Widzieliście? Karwa.
Fuck. Is he alive? Shit. This is bad. Fuck! Help me move it.
Formu tego. Morfuję w tego. W Pokemona. Przeobrażam się.
I gotta do it.
O kurwa!
Whoa!
Stop! He's awake!
He's still bitten.
So?
This is about trying to save him. At
Ja
the very least,
pierdzielę.
buy him some time.
Chopping his arm off. Do we know it works?
We don't know anything.
We know there's gonna be a lot of blood.
There's gonna be a shitload of blood.
A jak se pomyślałem,
What if he dies?
ja
And the
pierdaczę.
rest of us go after Clementine and get the hell out of Savannah.
Damn right.
Ej, ale jak
Let's do this. If there's a chance it stops you from turning,
Wyobraźcie
we
sobie-
have to take it.
piła po kości.
Jesus. What are you guys talking about?
We thought if we took off the bitten arm, you'd have a shot.
I know it's drastic,
You think?
but what if it works? It might be the only way.
Ej, ale jak to ma niby pomóc? Przecież to po organizmie już się rozeszło pewnie. Przecież to nie ma tak, że to zostaje w ręce, to już pewnie w krwiobiegu, nic nie ucinam.
We leave it.
Are
To
you sure?
nigdy nie działa.
Yeah, I feel like I got time. Just keep an eye on me. I get my hands on the bastard who's got Clem. I'm gonna be happy to have them both.
But you're gonna die.
To po takim czasie to już...
But not in here.
W takim czasie to
You
już...
guys keep an eye on that door. I'll work on getting us out of here.
Lee,
No. This is what we're doing, and I don't want to hear anything else, okay?
Ble. No, jakby mnie ten zombie bajsnął i od razu uciąć, no to jeszcze może by coś dało, nie? Ale po takim czasie przecież to już na pewno te całe jady zombiczne po organizmie krążą, nie? Chyba. Nie wiem, nie znam się. Nigdy mnie zombie nie ugryzł, no. Jeszcze. Mam nadzieję, że nigdy nie ugryzie w sumie.
All right, up we go.
we're gonna have to go as quiet as possible and see if we can make it to an empty floor or even the roof.
Sounds good. Nice and quiet, everybody.
Ej, bo ja boba jem. Czekaj. Już nie jem.
There's some light up there.
Good. Gotta get my ass off this ladder.
Ej, nie wystraszyłem się w ogóle, nie? Ale jestem twardy. Bartek, proszę o bana... Dziękuję.
Watch out!
That was fucking close.
Everything okay up there?
Oh, just fucking peachy.
Nie, Niklaus nie odbanuje go nigdy chyba. Za dużo zawinił. Niestety. No i faktycznie zaspoilerował, no co za gnój!
Lee!
Na IP
Oh
go.
God. Are you alive?
Proszę go dobić na IP.
I'm alive, I think.
You have to pull yourself up.
Jesus. Gotta get up.
Ja wiem.
Good job.
Fajnie. Wesoło jest. I granacik taki tam. Nie czytaj czatu. Kurde, bym nie czytał czatu, to bym nie robił streamów. No, bez sensu, nie czytaj czatu. Myślę, że Lee nie zginie. Nie ma ratunku. Ej, spoko. Ale hospital jest, a nie szpital. To jak to? To napisali chyba
Remember when Savannah was empty?
Polacy z Chicago.
Those Crawford bastards did one thing right, I guess.
There must be thousands of them.
They didn't follow us here, did they?
It sure seems like it.
That's crazy. They can't track. They just roam.
Is it? That fucking train wasn't exactly discreet.
Maybe we can wait for an opening.
We could be waiting a long time.
Still, Lee's right, and that we gotta pick our time and go. Anybody know how far and in what direction the mansion is? We probably ought to start there.
It's between us and River Street, so we can stop if we have to. Retrace our steps, maybe. And then get going towards the hotel where Clem's parents were staying.
Okay. Look, let's get our bearings and see if we can figure out a way to make it across town. Good? Good.
I don't think we can ignore what just happened to Lee.
It's the bite. Just have to deal with it.
You gotta let us know if you start feeling funny, you know?
I know. It's just dizziness, that's all. I'm all good.
As good as you can be.
Yeah. Good as I can be.
Now what?
We get down and we find a little girl out there. Right, pal? Now, let's get our bearings.
Moi drodzy, ja mam taką propozycję, żeby na czacie przestać sobie robić super śmieszne rzeczy z trollowaniem spoilerów, z pisaniem jako spoiler rzeczy, które się zdarzyły, bo no cóż, no bo wszystko będzie banowane w końcu i taki to będzie miało finał, także polecam wam dać sobie spokój, taka jest moja
He or she walked
rada.
away from whatever accident happened. And that doesn't really mean much. It's an
O,
extension
aż mi
ladder.
bób spadł. Extension ladder.
Not going back in there. What's up over here?
Bell tower. That's what's up.
Huh, yeah. That could help. No way. It's higher than this roof for starters.
Nie przejdziem.
That's the church across the street from the mansion. River Street should be just beyond that.
We need to head back that way. We'll stop off at the mansion, like you said, and make sure we didn't overlook anything.
Yeah. I might have a way to clear us a path. I can make it to that bell tower. I can draw the walkers down to that side of the hospital. There'll be thousands of them. It'll thin out the streets between here, the mansion, and River Street. Even if it's just for a few minutes.
Ale ładny widok.
That's the church across the street from the mansion. River Street should be just beyond that.
Wszystko inne obadane. Nie pytajcie się mnie, jak ja myślę, kto zginie, bo ja myślę, że nikt.
Hospital must have run out of doctors. That looks like Crawford Square over there.
Fuck that place. Did fix up our boat, though. We get Clementine and get right back.
Make sure she wears a life jacket, okay? Something tells me she's not gonna want to. That looks like Crawford Square over there.
Co tu jeszcze jest do obejrzenia? Nic. Czekajcie, tu jest drabina. Drabina.
Here's a way down.
Yeah, if half the dead population of Georgia wasn't wandering the streets down there.
The last fella who used it took a tumble.
No. I to jest jakaś idea. Siema Sanctus. O, ja bym nie przechodził, nie?
Yeah. Could buy us some time. Draw as many as we can this way. Get down off the roof on the opposite side and bust our asses getting back to the mansion.
You think you should be the one to go?
My leg's feeling better. Let me do it.
If we have to decide who takes a risk like this, it should be the guy who's got the least to lose. What's the worst that could happen? I get bitten again? So we're agreed then.
No to idę.
Hurry.
No.
What she said.
Dzięki, że mnie jeszcze pośpieszają. Bardzo to jest bezpieczne to, co ja robię teraz.
Oh shit.
Holy shit, man! Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Try to find another way out of there?
They're coming this way!
Tons of them! Jesus!
Now get back here!
Lol? Jak? Chybaście ogupli.
I think I have to jump. There's no way back.
You can make it. It ain't that far.
Haha!
I'm so fucked.
Spadnę.
Fuck, man. I don't know if I can make it.
Just jump!
Ech.
Good goddamn leap, pal. Let's get the hell off this roof.
Mi się aż ręce spocięły. Lol, jaki headshot. Jak kurde taki zawodowiec. No, jak prawdziwy murzyn na dzielni, nie?
Holy.
No i nie ma łodzi.
What the fuck?
No to...
Come on, just come the fuck on!
Well, we're not coming back here after we find Clem.
It's the guy on the radio, the one that's got Clem. They're gone. Holy shit, they're gone.
Relax.
Hey, guys. No, it wasn't the guy on the radio. It was Vernon.
No fucking way! The invalids?
Their actions, contradict your characterization, but yeah, the invalids.
He's right. They're not invalids. They're just people. People who've been dealing with shitty situations even longer than we have. No wonder they got the jump on us.
I don't give a fuck if their Make-A-Wish was a fucking boat ride! When I find them, I'm gonna rip their throats out!
We would have done the same.
Not like this! We wouldn't leave good people to rot!
We've taken food.
No,
We've killed to
jedzenie,
survive. What's the difference?
jedzenie zabraliśmy.
He says he feels bad about leaving Clementine behind, but the boat was an opportunity they couldn't pass up.
Vernon probably planned this out the second he laid eyes on that boat.
They fucked us!
Omid, can you go over the fence and let us into the backyard? We shouldn't be out in the open.
Yeah.
No to fajnie.
This is not happening. Everything is so fucked.
Clementine is still out there.
So we get Clementine, and then what?
We get the fuck out of cities. I'm done with cities. We go into the countryside and make a go of it.
I don't want to go back out there again.
Then don't. Go your own way.
You're every man for himself until you and your boyfriend actually need something.
You wouldn't have had a boat to lose without us. So shove it, okay?
Everyone keep it together. Nothing has changed, has it?
Nothing has changed?
I mean, immediately. We stay the course. Don't turn on each other.
We can do this in the yard.
Shit.
What do you think, Lee? What do we do now, without a boat?
Well, I know you two are just gonna look out for number one. And number two, you know, yourselves.
It's not like that,
Kurwa, nie
man.
wiem.
Bullshit, it's not.
Don't engage him, Omid.
There's other shit at play, all right?
What, you got the boat hidden somewhere?
Shut up, dude.
Watch your mouth.
Find a small town. Maybe one that hasn't been ripped up too bad. At some point, people are gonna have to start rebuilding. And you guys and Clem should be part of that.
I don't know.
Lee's right, Krista. We've been so goddamn scared of strangers for so long, but at one point, we gotta take our chances, right?
This is bullshit. You might not even be around, so... With all due respect, Lee, his opinion doesn't carry a lot of weight.
Hey, it's still his little girl out there. She's number one. That's the end of that, okay?
But what about...
O fuck.
Oh shit!
fuck.
Here they come!
In the house!
Ej, jak nagle w ogóle, nie?
They shouldn't be able to get into the backyard, right? Maybe not.
We can secure this place.
Krista! Get on the windows in the front room. Check the boards.
Got it.
Kenny, look for weapons. Gather anything you can find.
Will do.
Omid! What is it?
O shit.
Everyone, help Omid now!
O karwa.
Lee, help!
Cut their fucking arms off!
There's gotta be a knife or something in there!
Hurry!
Tasak jest.
Take their goddamn arms off!
Jeb. 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 I Omidowi łeb.
Now what?
Get ready to fight.
This place seems sturdy to me. I think we're fine.
Sorry, ale...
Sturdy my ass! Get upstairs!
Go!
Fuck. Ej, Bri! Przykra sprawa.
Guys, help me with this!
Everyone get to the end of the hallway.
This'll slow him down. Get to the end of the hallway and take a fucking stand!
Can't let ourselves get trapped.
Let's get as many as we can. When we see an opening, we go for it. How many bullets y'all have?
3.
Nieskończoność.
5. 4. You all know where to aim.
Get ready.
Nie mam naboi!
I'm out!
Me too!
Fuck! Where do we go?
Okno!
Goddamn opening!
Up!
Albo tam.
Go!
That could have gone better.
Everyone okay?
Lee's still bitten.
Shut up.
Okay, let's get out of here and keep moving.
Kid's right. We gotta keep moving. Think there's any chance we get Clem and catch up to those goddamn thieves?
I don't know. Maybe.
Where we're not going out through this window. No latches, no roof access, and 30 feet straight down.
Anyone have any ideas?
I bet this guy would. He's got a resourceful air about him.
Knock it off.
Dixon Kent III. Industrial...
Need?
Krista. Just trying to lighten the fucking tone.
We need solutions, not stupid jokes. I'm sorry.
Się uniesła.
There's gotta be another way.
Check the floor for any other access. A vent. Anything.
Or we wait for the house to clear out and stick to the high ground. Whoa, Lee, you okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna...
Siema Demondo. Zarociulna, patrzcie. Jep. Ha! Z jakim łoskotem się zwalił na sol.
I'm okay. I'm where my parents... No.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did.
What did that mean?
She's at the hotel, where her parents were staying. He hasn't moved her.
Yet.
Yeah. Yet.
We need to start thinking about more than just Clementine when it comes to our urgency.
What do you mean?
How do we get out of here?
That's the whole point. We don't know.
Okay, now your life depends on it. How do you get out of here?
I don't know. I don't get it.
I do.
Like I said, everyone needs to keep looking for a way out, damn it! We're trapped in here!
How long you think we have?
What? I don't know.
We should have cut it off. At least then there would have been a chance.
Well, you didn't, and it's too late now.
I think we need to have an adult conversation about what happens if Lee takes another spill.
Hey, look.
We could be looking at a Larry situation here.
Who's Larry?
It don't matter.
He looks fine to me.
I think it'd be best if we just worried about getting to Clem right now.
We're not gonna do her any good if you've attacked us.
That isn't gonna happen.
How do you know that?
Guys, I don't know what happened before Omid and I showed up, but we can cross this bridge when we get to it.
Lee, I'm not advocating anything here, but how is this not a thing? We're all so worked up about Clementine that we're forgetting what the fuck happened to you.
What if it was you, and it was Duck out there?
Whoa there, friend.
I bet you'd rather stay focused on the problem, not have people turn on you.
This is getting out of hand.
You're gonna listen to me. We will get Clementine back, with or without you.
Because I haven't given up everything to die because we were stupid.
Then kill me, you son of a bitch, okay? Don't even fucking hesitate!
I will!
Nie no. Nie będę go... No.
You ruined that dude's face.
Shut up, sweetie. Look.
It's corroded to hell.
What's on the other side of this wall? A 30-foot drop?
No, this mansion butts up against the one next door.
I'll be damned.
We're not lifers on Alcatraz here. We can't spend the next 3 months digging through a wall.
If the rest is as dilapidated as this, we might not have to. Let's see. Yeah, we can do this.
Okay.
We'll work in shifts. Omid, Krista, and I. Lee, you rest. We have to work fast.
Będziemy łagodzić. Załagadzamy.
I get it. Go sit down.
Załagadzamy konflikty. Żeby było przyjemnie w grupie. Się żyło. Razem. Wiecie.
I'm glad you told us when you got bitten. It would have been easy not to.
Yeah. Well,
We probably would have let you go alone if you hadn't told us, which would have been a mistake.
If I were you, I would have been scared shitless.
I was. The fucking thing, it happened so fast. You ever almost hit someone in a crosswalk?
Almost?
His license was suspended. Twice.
Jeszcze się
Thing
cieszy.
was on me. Never saw it. Like someone in your blind spot.
Wish you would have taken it off.
Don't think it matters much now. I'm losing a lot of feeling in it.
Really?
Yeah, it's hot, like when you break a bone. But tingly, like it's asleep.
So when we get this guy, what do you think?
We just get Clementine, that's the focus. Despite how I feel, I can't let vengeance be the thing.
Sure, but if it's not that easy.
We'll do whatever it takes.
And, you know, whatever happens to you,
Seriously, can we not talk like that? The entire time we were at the hospital, I could sense you think you're as good as dead.
I'm bitten, Krista. We all know that's a wrap.
There's gotta be something.
I want you guys to take her.
Stop it.
I'm serious. She'd be safe and relatively happy with you two.
We're not doing this right now.
Krista, listen to him.
It's what I want, okay?
All right. I'm out of gas. You look good and rested.
Sure, if you don't count an infected leg.
You want me to do it?
Nah, and you can hop in after me.
Shouldn't be long now. It's good we're forced to take a breath. I still can't believe you went and got chomped. Just... fucking hell.
At least he told us.
Took some brass. I don't think I would've.
How are you?
I don't know how to answer that.
I'm sorry.
It'll be all right, kid.
Why you acting like what's happened ain't happened? Anyway, I appreciate it from both of you. A lot of us have lost families. This guy tell you much about what we've been through?
Bits and pieces.
Before y'all, we had this woman, Lily, with us. Lord knows where she is now. Anyway, we had to make some tough calls with her dad. She came between Lee and I pretty good. And I spent a lot of nights hating this guy's guts.
I'm sorry for hurting you in any way, Kenny. It's a impossible to go through life without causing some sort of pain. But sometimes I can't help but wonder if I could have caused a little less.
You and me both, Doc. Well, cheers.
Zaś będzie walił do ryja. A, wezmę. Trinknij się. O, jak wali na eksa, widzieliście? O, ale fajnie wyduldała.
I'm through! No walkers. Things are looking up.
Fajnie pociągła.
Everyone keep a goddamn eye out.
This place seems pretty sealed off. Well,
LOL. Oje.
Let's keep moving. Gotta go.
yeah. We've seen so many people. I don't know why these ones break my heart.
What's heartbreaking is not giving yourself a chance. It's what Katya did.
Jesus. I'm sorry, kid.
She left me. A son. People that cared about us. I forgive her, but it don't make it any less wrong. You don't just end it because it's hard. You stick it out, and you help the folks you care about. So let's figure a way out of here and get that little girl.
We should move.
Yeah.
Got at least one shot left.
Let's clear the room before we move on. Lee, figure out where we're headed.
Żeby ino nie wstanęli.
You okay?
Yeah.
Let's keep at it. I guess Crawford would have gotten them anyway.
O, jaki
Judging by the
telewizor.
decor of this room, I guess they were PBS watchers.
Hey, my parents' house looked a lot like this. And they watch kung fu movies. Just saying.
Tak,
Hard to believe the world
dobrze im butów nie
was
zdjął.
peaceful.
It's sick, but think of all the pain they avoided.
What do you call this thing?
Art?
Coś tu jeszcze jest.
We're not going out this window.
No, raczej nie. Fajny dywan.
House is full too. Stay quiet.
Super partia. Bulwo. Jak to mówił świętej pamięci pancernik.
Nothing other than personal items in here.
Looks like we can stay off the streets all the way to River Street if we're careful.
Let's go.
Kurde, wszyscy wskoczyli, jestem w sumie zdziwiony. Myślałem, że... A, jeszcze Kenny. O,
Let's keep going.
tam już się
Be
belątało.
careful up here.
They haven't learned to climb yet, right?
Ej, a zombie jak się zachowują we wodzie? Nie pływają, nie umią.
It's good to be moving.
Łażą pod wodą, nie? Czy coś takiego.
You're doing good.
I'm not, but I'm trying, man.
What happened?
Honestly, you know how many nights Kat and I laid in that broke-down RV? And she'd give me hell for not thinking enough about the rest of you? All of them. Every damn night. You got that walkie-talkie?
Yeah, of course I do.
You might want to give him a call and tell him we're coming for him.
Yeah, right.
Careful cross here.
Be careful. Lol, jakie przerażenie w oczach. To jest chyba najlepiej przerażenie w oczach postaci ze wszystkich gier w ogóle jakie grałem pokazane. To autentycznie tak dobrze są emocje pokazane. Pomimo, że to nie jest gra grafiką nastawiona przecież na żaden realizm, ani nic takiego, nie?
River Street's just up ahead.
Lepiej jak we Wiedźminie, poważnie. Tak według mnie przynajmniej.
Nope. Maw of darkness full of walkers? Fuck that shit.
I don't see any down there.
Nie ma szymek.
Right?
We're all desensitized to it, but I can still smell them.
Let's keep going, you bunch of lollygaggers.
No, ktoś zrobił.
Oh, fuck.
Well,
I'm so sorry.
We have
Potrzebujemy.
to get it back. That's our lifeline to her.
But we can find this guy without it.
And what if we don't? We need every clue that comes out of it.
Lee's right.
I am so fucking sorry.
It's fine. You just need
G-
to figure out who's going down
GG.
there.
No, we don't.
Jep.
Krista! Jesus fucking Christ!
I got it. Get me up.
Fuck, we can't reach. Find something, fast.
Fast would be good.
Keep a fucking eye on her.
Spoko. Nie musieliśmy jej wpychać, sama wlazła. Gaz rułka.
Grab onto this. We'll pull you up.
Good. Thanks.
Wszyscy szokli. No to zaje pasztetinio.
Shit, they're in there! Fuck! Jump up here, baby!
Let's go! Jump!
Me and my fucking mouth.
What are you doing?
Zajebisty pomysł.
Get her, Ken!
Just said all that shit and
Kurwa.
not do something now. Come on, reach!
Wszyscy tam idźmy.
Gotcha!
Save her! Go, go! Fuck!
Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Dziękuję pięknie, ale napięcie.
Fucking hear me?
Get Kenny. Jump up here, Ken. I'll grab you.
Get the fuck off me!
We're going in after him.
We can't!
We have to.
Lee!
Puść mnie, cyganie.
Go!
Kurwa, nie! Nie! Nie!
We don't know. He could be down there still. He could be on the run. He could be gone.
He could be okay.
He went down there for you.
I know.
Kurwa.
He...
To była najlepsza postać. Przez głupiego murzyna.
Marshall's hotel is round the corner of the block.
Przecież my zginiemy bez niego.
Do you want to talk?
Talk?
Kenny was my friend.
Soon as someone dies, they don't immediately have to have their sins forgiven.
Ej,
It gets an hour moratorium.
nie kojfnął jeszcze.
I understand. This is a shitty time, but I want to make sure we're clear before we go forward.
What is it?
Now with Kenny gone,
Kurwa,
I
nie
need and I
umarł.
have to stay safe. For her.
Yeah, you do. Let me take all the risks.
That's not what I mean, necessarily.
It's what I mean. It's what we gotta do. We have to cross here.
Well, at least it doesn't look like a death trap. Who's going first?
You're the lightest.
He's got a busted leg and you're walking for two. I'm obviously not doing so hot. Decision doesn't make itself. I'll go
Ida
first,
pierwszy.
in case anything happens out there.
You sure?
Yeah.
Ej, w ogóle jaki on jest niższy od Nifes?
Just go nice and slow.
Coś się stanie.
Almost there. It's an easy crossing.
Good. Shit!
Oh, fuck! Shit.
Are you okay?
Fine. I'm kind of fucked here.
What are you gonna do?
Fuck it. I'm going for it.
Going for it?
What does that mean?
It means I'm already bitten. I just have to push my way through.
What the fuck?
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg!
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Dziękuję.
Find me when you get down.
What the fuck does that mean?
It means what it sounds like. Hotel's around the corner. Find Clementine and me as soon as you can.
You're crazy!
There's no other way.
Nie. Teraz będzie se rękę ciął. O kurwa. LOL? O kur... Bez jaj, że ja to przeszedłem tak. Ale jaja. To był badass motherfucker. To było dobre. Jaki w ogóle zwyrol. On w tej ręce prawie nie ma czucia, nie? To ona go już nie bolała. Łazi.
I got us adjoining rooms.
Hello.
Okay. This is civil. You look horrible. Go over there. Put your things down.
Let me out! Who's out there?
Quiet, please, sweetie. Your things. There.
Just be cool.
Do I not seem cool? Good. Go sit down. Do you know who I am?
No. I don't know anything about you.
You wouldn't. People like you don't. Now you're thinking, who would have it out for me, huh? A few weeks back, there might have been a station wagon in the forest, full of all sorts of food, water, things you need to survive. Yeah, I'm not some cannibal, Lee. Some killer out in the woods. Some villain. I'm just a dad. I coach Little League.
Everything was just out there for the taking. We were starving.
For the taking? Do you know what you took from me?
Don't you start on who took what from who.
I didn't take her from you. I rescued her from you. Don't you get that? Have you ever hurt somebody you care about?
Yes, of course.
Who?
My wife.
Clementine said she wasn't with you.
I heard her a long time ago.
How?
In a lot of ways. She traveled for work. I didn't like that. I wanted a family.
A reasonable thing to want.
So we fought, and it made my biggest fear come true. Got sick one day on my way to class, canceled it and went home. Found her there with someone else.
Przepraszam.
Killed him. I was mad at her for so long, and I can't imagine how much pain she felt. How about you?
I hurt her so bad. My son Adam went missing. I took him out hunting even though my wife said he was too young. I figured he had to learn. I came back without him and the look on her face said, "You are a monster." We all went out looking for him. We never found him. I hurt her so bad. Then you took all of our things. You robbed us. I could have earned her trust back, Lee, but not after that.
Dobra, sorry.
Sorry.
The hungrier we got, the more she blamed me. Until she finally took our daughter Elizabeth and left. They didn't get far. I found them a day later in the road. Do I look like a monster to you?
No, trochę.
We all do.
Some more than others. I'm not like you. You killed a man with a pitchfork right in front of a little girl.
I did what I had to.
You let a boy get yanked out of a window and into the night so you could protect a pretty girl with a gun.
You weren't there.
The sweatshirt she's wearing was my boy's. You stole that from us.
We were starving. It was cold.
So my family starved in the cold!
How could you know all this?
You're a monster. You're a murderer and a thief. And I'm gonna hurt you so bad.
Just give me Clementine back.
I'd rather kill her myself. Because that's what will happen if she goes with you. After I heard Clementine on the radio and realized who you folks were, I came after you purely for revenge. But the more I heard about the things you did and the danger she was in, our plan changed. Lee, listen to me. I need you to hear this before what happens next. I can take care of her. We can have a family.
LOL? Nope.
I bet you don't even know how old she is.
She's 8.
Wrong. She's 9.
But
her birthday was 6 days ago. I know how to be a dad, you know. She wouldn't be exposed to what she has been with you.
that's not happening. You're crazy.
Keeping her with you is crazy.
You'll have to kill me.
Yeah, I know. Hey, honey. I think this is all gonna work out.
What are you...
I'm glad too. I wish it wouldn't have had to get this bad, but it's all over, hon. Isn't it?
Co on ma w tej tasi?
I hate seeing you like this. I just miss your smile, honey. I miss you so much, Tess. You're gonna like Clementine a lot, though. She's not Lizzie, but she's sweet. She wouldn't hurt a fly.
O, kurwa.
He would have come back.
That's right, sweet pea.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
You look horrible.
That's what he said.
Let's just get somewhere safe. You don't smell good.
Yeah, I know. Did he hurt you?
No, not really. I'm sorry, Lee.
Clem, it's okay. We need to get you somewhere safe. And then we have to talk, okay?
Yeah.
Everything's okay now. We need to figure out how to get out of Savannah as fast as we can. I'm sorry you had to see that.
He was going to kill you.
And take you. Yeah.
Dziękuję pięknie za tego. Dziękuję za pozdrowienia z puszczy, również pozdrawiam. Tutaj mamy teraz bardzo emocjonujące momenty. Nie no, odstrzeliłem gościa. Gościu miał argumenty dobre, ale nie wiem... Bez jaj.
Jesus. Don't look in there.
No, I know.
No. Korbla, wiecie, ipi do głowy. Trzeba było generalnie go zmieść, bo...
Which way out?
Through there.
Which way out?
Through there.
A, to była głowa od jego żony. Uuu!
It didn't bite you.
Yeah. I know it. Must have.
You're covered in all that gross stuff.
Had to get through a bunch of them to get here.
Ej, zajebiste.
That's how we'll get out of Savannah.
Zombie protection. Ja bardziej myślałem, że to dlatego mnie nie atakują, bo mnie bajsnął, nie? Wcześniej. O, to będzie straszne, nie?
Oh no.
Armor arcymaga. Będziemy teraz się szmarować bebechami od zombich. LOL. Ta.
We'll get you cleaned up as soon as we can.
Not soon enough.
Kurde, dziewczyno, lepiej się szmarować jak wykitować. No.
Are you done?
A little more.
Jeszcze na głowę.
Wanna be sure.
Jeszcze na głowę proponuję wieniec z jelit.
There. That should do it.
I hope so.
And you're missing something.
I thought it was gone.
Myślałem, że jej pysk wysmaruje jeszcze.
Thank you.
Stay right next to me. Walk very slowly. Don't look around. And don't panic. I'll keep you safe.
Post-traumatic stress disorder. Ciężko. Ciężko. LOL. Ciekawie to się prezentuje, powiem wam. Kto to był? Co to była za baba? To była matka od niej.
Lee, wake up! Please don't be dead. Please, no! Lee, I was so scared. I thought you left me. I saw my parents.
O karwa.
Come here, sweet pea.
They're dead. They really are.
Clementine, we have to get out of here as fast as we can.
Well, we can't. There's thousands of them outside.
We have to. I'll protect you. We'll push through
No,
them.
no, that's crazy. I saved you. We're safe here. I locked us in.
Get that door open.
I can't.
Do it!
It was only a little open when I found it. I closed it to keep us safe.
Pull on 3. 1, 2, 3!
See?
Clementine, honey,
What happened? No, that's not... No.
Yes, Clem, it is. There's no time to be upset.
Okay, I'll try not to be. I think there might be a way out over there.
Lol.
Good girl. Let's go. I might be a little slow.
I'll help you. I got you. You can lean on me if you have to.
I'm okay.
I thought I was helping by bringing you in here.
Oh, you did, honey. It's awful out there. They would have chewed me up.
It was hard.
I don't know how you did it, but you did good. Okay?
Keep going. We're almost there. Get up, Lee. The door is right here.
I can't.
You have to.
Liam, I can't move. This is it for me here.
Please try to get up.
I can't. You don't have much time. You gotta do something. Fast.
Like what?
You need to get out of here as soon as you can.
I can't leave you.
Just work on getting out, okay? We'll figure it all out. Don't worry.
Ej, ale jak to jest, że jedni się tak szybko zamieniali, a drudzy tak długo jak on? Ja tego nie czaję. Tam przecież na początku było tak, że hop umarł, to się za moment zamienił.
There's a chair over there.
Nie ogarniam. Niesprawiedliwe. Czarny ma lepiej.
We'll get you in there. Don't worry. You're doing good. The way out's through there, Clem.
I know.
Just start by getting that door open.
It's locked.
It's no big deal. It's just a glass window.
Ow!
Not with your hand.
Stołkiem.
There's
Albo
a
baseballem.
baseball bat under the counter, Clem. You can use that. Use the bat to shatter that window so you can reach in, okay?
Okay.
Watch out for broken glass. Good job. Don't be afraid of him, honey. You're smart. He isn't. You're smarter than all of them. And don't be scared of the walker. You'll be fine. The way out's through there, Clem.
I know.
Grab the chair, Clem. Use it to reach in to the lock. Open it.
He's trapped.
This'll be easy then. He's got keys. Probably to that door. And everything you'll need. There's keys. And a gun. You're gonna need both of those. There are handcuffs on the ground. Get them.
Okay, Lee.
Put the handcuffs on me. Attach me to this.
What? Why?
No matter what happens, you're safe then.
I don't know.
Just do it, sweetie. Make sure they're tight.
I don't want to do this.
You have to. It'll keep you safe. You only have to deal with him now. He's trapped over there. If you're careful, you can get what you need from him.
The keys, and then the gun.
The keys and the gun. Just don't be afraid. If anything gets dangerous, you're faster than he is.
What should I get first?
Get the gun, Clem. Always the gun.
Oh yeah.
Get him! Get him! Kill it! You have to kill it! Watch out! The bat, Clem!
Kurwa,
Get the
weź,
bat!
a nie patrz się na niego.
I did it. I got him.
Great, Clem. Good job. Hey. On my turn, honey. And if I do, it won't be good.
No, you can't. You can't do that.
Trust me, Clem. I don't want to. I'm trying. I'm trying.
My parents. It's so horrible.
I can't imagine, sweet pea.
And now, you? Please. Please don't be one of them. Please don't become a walker.
There's only one thing you can do. You know that.
I don't know if I can.
You have to shoot me, honey.
Lee, no.
It's okay. It's okay. Megan, first days we met. Do you remember?
Yeah, I do.
When I went out to rescue that boy, Glenn, we met a girl. She'd been bitten too. All she wanted was to not come back as a walker.
Lee?
And I remember how hard it was to do that. But I'm glad I did. You don't want to see me like one of them.
Okay, Lee. I can do it. I can.
Find Omid and Krista. They're probably looking for us right now. Stay on high ground. Don't go too far. You'll find them. They'll take good care of you. And Clem. Keep that hair short.
I will. I'll cut it myself.
Great. Good. And also...
What is it?
No, don't worry. All right. Don't be afraid.
No. To po wszystkiemu. Znaczy, po pierwszym sezonie. Jak wasze odczucia? Smutna sprawa, bo myślałem, że Murzyn przeżyje. Nie jesteś wzruszony, czy jesteś taki twardy? Nie no. Bez przesady. Płakać na grze. Nie szalejmy. No smutne zakończenie, smutne. No myślałem, że przeżyję może. No szkoda, nawet się z Murzynem trochę zżyłem, pomimo że Murzyn, nie? Także byłem hipsterem, nie uciąłem mu ręki. Tu nie byłem. Byłem hipsterem, bo zabiłem Strangera. No i wreszcie nie byłem. Ty nie masz serca. Nie no. Moi drodzy, bez przesady. I Samu płakał. I Samu jest uczuciowy chłopak, no ja widocznie nie. Jakbym może miał dziecko, jakieś takie instynkty i bym się wczuł, to może bym mu łzę uronił, ale... No... Nie no, bez przesady. Ciężko mi się wczuć, że jestem Murzynem i strzela do mnie dziewczynka mała i tak dalej, no... Nie umiem się za bardzo odnieść do sytuacji, wiecie? Za abstrakcyjne to jest do mnie. Także może dlatego. No. Tutaj najwięcej zrobiłem dla Kena. Z takimi zakończyłem wyborami pierwszy sezon. Sezon? Tak, to są epizody, ja skończyłem pierwszy sezon. Chodzi o relacje, no to nie, no. Jak to mówią, jedni nie płakali po papieżu, nie płakałem po Murzynie. No i tak to wyszło. O, możecie sobie poczytać. Najważniejsze, że ten głupi zginął. Ben. No. Tyle. Fajnie się grało. Kończę odcinek na YouTube'a, żeby mi nie zgłosili praw autorskich do muzyki. Dziękuję za uwagę. Zostawcie łapkę w górę i... To był pierwszy sezon The Walking Dead. Czemu nie skończyłem nagrywania? Aha, tutaj.